We are at 9626 Aqua Harbor. We are in Las Vegas. I love this location. We are right by the Durango Casino. This house is 3,600 square feet and it's only $925,000.
One of the things I love about this home is that it's a next generational living home, meaning that it's got a fully functional kitchen, living space, bedroom, and washer and dryer.
This property has an entertainment backyard, so we're gonna take you guys right in. We are at 9626 Aqua Harbor. We are in Las Vegas. Great location by the Durango Casino. I love this neighborhood. It is a gated community. It's super quiet, so pretty, and you're right by the mountains as well. So if you guys like to go hiking, it's probably about a 15-minute drive. So we're gonna go ahead and go inside. This one has a separate door for the Casita. Casita is fully functional, has the kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, and it does have a fully functional laundry room. We're gonna go inside there through the house. absolutely love this house, especially the kitchen. It's a chef's kitchen. Did you guys see that extra large Electrolux refrigerator? I love that refrigerator.
This home is located inside of an HOA with an HOA of $70, which includes the community area plus the gate.
This is a great location too. We are right by the Durango Casino. There's also a place called The Bend by IKEA, and they have restaurants there as well.
And I absolutely love the backyard. My favorite part about the pool is that it's got this lovely seating area so that you can wade or go swimming inside of the pool. This backyard also has a custom built-in barbecue area.
It's great for entertaining. So if you guys are looking for an entertainer's backyard with a balcony and 5 bedrooms and a casita, this one is for you. You gotta come and take a look. So if you wanna know more about this property or anything else, you can call us, text us, email us, however you wanna get a hold of us. We are here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.